Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to your writing video today. Yesterday's learning target was about adjectives. We learned that adjectives are words that describe a noun. A noun is a person, it is a place, or it is a thing. And remember, a verb is a word that shows action or doing. Adjectives are words that describe a noun. Adjectives actually tell details about the people, the places, and the things all around us. Let's look up here at the box. This says 6 flowers are in the tall vase. There are 2 adjectives in this sentence. 6 describes how many flowers, so 6 is an adjective. If I go up here, I'm going to choose a different color. Flowers are actually the noun. So 6 describes the flowers. It's an adjective that describes flowers. But let's look at tall. Tall is describing the noun vase. So tall is describing how the size and how the length of the vase. So 6 is an adjective that talks about how many flowers, and tall is about size. So today, down on our worksheet right here, it says read each sentence, underline the adjective, then write the noun it describes on the line. So follow along with me as I find and identify the adjective and I write the noun on the line. Number 1, Arlo, that's a person's name, so that's a noun. Arlo is a person, place, or thing. Arlo likes bright colors. Arlo likes bright colors. I'm going to switch this back over to blue, and the adjective that I noticed is bright. Bright is describing the word colors. And colors is a word. Those are things. Colors are things. So they're describing colors, bright colors. So actually the direction said to underline the adjective. Let's underline that. And then the noun we have to write in the line. So I'm going to write the word colors here the best that I can on my screen. Colors. Colors is the noun, and bright is the adjective that describes the colors. They're not dull or dark. They're really bright, happy colors. Okay, let's go to number 2, and we're looking for an adjective that describes a noun. Mr. Ruiz read a funny story. Mr. Ruiz is a noun. That's a person. Reading is a noun, or actually that's a verb. So we don't want read as a noun. Mr. Ruiz read a funny story. Oh, I think funny is our adjective because it actually describes the story. It's a funny story. It's not a sad story. It's not a scary story. It is a funny story. So funny is the adjective that describes story. So the noun goes on the line, story. Story is the noun, not the adjective. So funny is describing story. So we could put a little arrow right there. It describes story. Okay, let's do number 3. Let's find and identify the adjective that is describing something. Julia ate a crunchy. Julia ate a crunchy apple. Well, Julia is a person, but nothing is describing her. She's not crunchy. But the apple is a noun, and crunchy is describing the apple. Crunchy is our adjective. So I'm going to go up and I'm going to find the noun. The noun is the apple. It is a thing. And crunchy is describing the apple. So we're going to write the noun on the line. Apple is a thing, something that you eat. But what kind of apple was it? It was a crunchy apple. Crunchy is the adjective. Okay, let's go ahead and go down to number 4, and we're going to identify the adjective. What's in the large box? Oh, they're asking a question. There's a question mark right here. What's in the large box? Large is describing the box. It's talking about the size of it. It's not small. It's not medium. It's large. So it's talking about the size of this noun, the box. Box is a noun. It's not a person. It's not a place. It's a thing. But large is the adjective because it describes the noun, the box. Okay, number 5. Let's see if we can identify the adjective in number 5. Fish are quiet pets. Fish are quiet pets. So pets are things. Oops, I did it in the wrong color, you guys. Quiet is describing. Let's see if we can switch that. I don't want to mix you guys up. So let's put that purple. Our nouns were all in purple today. Pets are nouns, they're things. And quiet describes the pets. Fish are definitely quiet pets, definitely. So we're going to write pets on the line. Though that is our noun. There's more than one, so there's an S on the end of pets. And what kind of pets are they? They're quiet pets. Fish are very quiet. Okay, let's go ahead and go to number 6. We're going to identify the adjective. Mrs. Ellis drives. Drives is a verb. It shows action. Mrs. Ellis drives a red car. She drives a red car. Well, car is a noun. Mrs. Ellis is a noun. She's a person. Drives is a verb. Red is your adjective. It's describing the color of the car. So car is going to be our noun. It's a thing. So we're going to put the noun on the line, car, and the word adjective, the word red is an adjective that describes the car. Very good. Okay, you guys, we're on the very last one. Number 7. Let's see if we can identify the adjective. The kitten has soft fur. The kitten has soft fur. Well, kitten is a noun. Fur is a noun. Soft. Ooh, describes how it feels. Soft is your adjective. It's not wet fur. It's not sticky fur. It's not coarse or stiff fur. It is soft fur. So fur is our noun and soft is our adjective. Soft is describing fur. Our noun is fur. All of the words that are underlined today are our adjectives. Adjectives describe a noun and give more details about the noun. So the colors up here were bright colors. The story was funny. The apple was crunchy. The box was large. The pets were quiet. The car was red. And the fur was soft. So our learning target again today, boys and girls, was to identify an adjective. An adjective is a word that gives more details about a noun. Okay, thank you very much, boys and girls, for your writing video, and go ahead and go on to the next slide for your writing activity. Thank you.